Welcome to the presentation of the Italian National PhD in Artificial Intelligence. This program was created by the Italian government already 3 years ago to respond in a nationwide manner to this rising challenge of artificial intelligence and its huge impact on all aspects of society, industry. There are a lot of, nowadays, artificial intelligence is on the mouth of everybody, a large public conversation, and also a very impressive projection for the future, for the investment in this area, for the number of jobs, and for the shortage of talent in this area. This is precisely what we are trying to respond to with our program, which is actually 5 PhD programs in one, in a coordinated effort. The idea is that the Italian community of artificial intelligence scientists join together, organizing 5 different programs that have this property of sharing the common research and innovation on the foundations of AI, foundation from the point of view of computing, from the point of view of ethics, from the point of view of law and social impact, but of course also on the what is needed to imagine and produce the artificial intelligence of the future, but also having a look at the different application area of AI in the world. And so we have these 5 different programs that are coordinated on the foundational part and specialized on the application part, on health and life sciences. This is a campus Bio-Medico University, Industry, which is Politecnico of Torino, governance and public bodies, which is the Sapienza University in Rome, agrifood and environment, that it's the University of Naples, Federico II, and University of Pisa for the area of society. Overall, an holistic way to produce a next generation of researchers and innovators in this area. In the first 2 editions of the program, in 21 and 22, we have already selected 300 young PhD students that are working in this area with enthusiasm. I would like to now pass on to my colleagues that will tell you something about the different pillars, beginning with Professor Paolo Soda.
Hello, everybody. I'm the coordinator of the Health and Life Science pillar led by Università Campus Bio-Medico di Roma. In this field, the application of AI foreshadows scenarios of rapid evolution towards 5P medicine. And the specific education in this area focuses on the conception, design, development, and application of innovative methods of AI with tools and systems that can be used both for basic research in biology, in computer science, bioengineering, which is necessary to understand the origin of pathology and the preliminary verification of innovative solutions, for computation or organ-on-chip application, and for experimental and translation and clinical medical research. In this pillar, PhD students start working with data generation and collection, goes through their processing with AI and data science technique for knowledge extraction and decision support, and arrive at the synthesis, implementation, and monitoring of the tools and action required for diagnostic, therapeutic, and care purpose to improve health and safety of the individual in health, social, and the work context. That's all for the Health and Life Science pillar. Hand over to Professor Stefano Di Carlo.
Hello, everybody. I'm Stefano Di Carlo. I'm the coordinator of the program led by Politecnico di Torino that is about industry. So it's not surprising that this pillar is in Torino. As you probably know, Torino has a very long background in the industry domain, especially the automotive sector. So that's why we are focusing on this particular topic here in Torino. Well, AI in industry, it's a very important and emerging topic. We can use AI for many different, to cover many different tasks, from building virtual factories to performing predictive maintenance, working on identifying defect and working toward having zero defect manufacturing, handling the supply chain, performing predictive and analytical retail. Of course, robotics is everywhere in the industry. And these are all fields where AI can strongly contribute. And well, our professors here and the professors of all the universities that are affiliated with Torino are experts in all these domains, and we publish every year openings covering all these different topics. So if you are interested in the industry side of AI, for sure, Torino is one of the possibilities that you can choose. That's all for Torino, and I'm passing the floor to Professor Maurizio Lenzerini, which is leading the PhD in Sapienza in Rome.
Thank you. I am Maurizio Lenzerini, the coordinator of the PhD program in Artificial Intelligence led by Sapienza, that is offered by a group of universities located in the whole country. And the group of faculty organizing this program has a long tradition of research in artificial intelligence in all the subfields, including planning, machine learning, knowledge representation and reasoning, natural language processing, reasoning about actions, and others. As for the application context, which is public administration and public bodies, there is no doubt that artificial intelligence is going to be a crucial factor to improve public administrations, help in the decision-making process at central and local government level, improve communications with citizens, increase the quality of services to citizens themselves. Artificial intelligence methods and techniques can in fact provide important contributions in various aspects, such as the management of data, the management of infrastructures to safely exploit the potential of big data, the simplification of administrative processes, the personalization of public services, the definition of data-driven government strategies, and the design of high-quality services easily usable by different classes of users. So if you are interested in applying AI in this important sector of public bodies, you can think of our PhD program here in Rome. So that's it for this program. And I leave the floor to Francesco Loreto.
Hello, everyone. My name is Francesco Loreto. I am a professor at the University of Napoli, Federico II, and the coordinator of the specialization area about agriculture and environment. Agri-food and environment are emerging sectors for any digital application. The variability of factors that determine the primary production and the uncertainties linked to climate change increasingly require the application of transversal skills, and artificial intelligence is playing a fundamental role in that. Precision agriculture, for instance, also known as cognitive agriculture, combine the collection of and the analysis of information of big data, and often using also terrestrial and drones or satellite data to provide farmers with the targeted choices and providing the tool for optimizing production, reducing the use and the waste of natural resources, and improving the quality of products. Everything is aimed at providing and developing decision support systems, which include, for instance, early warning application on biotic and biotic stress, namely the occurrence of extreme weather events, for instance, or the response to climate change scenarios in relation to agriculture and land use change choices, or the selection or resistant or resilient varieties or varieties, for instance, with better qualitative and quantitative production, or the traceability of agriculture and food chain, and also with trained biosensors or blockchain systems to ensure food safety and health and to combat food fraud. This is just to name a few of the booming field where artificial intelligence is providing a great help. So this is a very brief outline of what we are doing actually since already 2 years ago in Naples, and I think it's enough to give you an idea. And I hand it back to Dino Pedreschi then.
Thank you, Francesco. So I'm Dino Pedreschi. I'm the coordinator for the University of Pisa branch of the program that is devoted to society in a very broad sense. The focus of our research and PhD is essentially human-centered AI. How it is possible to design artificial intelligence systems that are beneficial for and responding to a certain ethical goal, both for individuals, for communities, and for society as a whole. This is essentially the general idea. And to do that, it's needed to advance methodologies and also applications of artificial intelligence along several lines. Just to mention very quickly, one line is co-evolution, human in the loop. When we train and we do machine learning to learn systems of different kind, from traditional predictive system to generative AI and large language models today, you need to find meaningful ways to put models, AI models, and people to work synergistically in a way that it is sure that there is a better quality on both sides, and the team between machines and people can actually be more intelligent ecosystems than machines alone or people alone. And another aspect is social artificial intelligence. The fact that we have created in this last decades this huge ecosystem made of people that interact with the recommender system on online social media and social networks, or people connected with the navigation apps when they travel around our cities, or e-markets and gigantic platform for e-commerce. What is the role of AI assistants or AI chatbots in this system? What kind of collective outcomes are determined by different form of AI is extremely important to understand the societal, the impact at the level of society of these technologies in such a way that we can design for achieving certain goals, for achieving certain ethical values that we want to preserve, or for being compliant with the regulation, for instance, that Europe is putting forward to regulate artificial intelligence. But this is just a quick, let's say, account of what we are doing. I would like somehow to shift to a general conclusion and call for action to all of you. Essentially, our program is an ecosystem in itself that offers many possibilities that the students of all pillars can use and exploit together. We are a community of scientists, first of all, a large community. Italy is one of the largest communities of AI researchers and scientists. We're very well positioned internationally, very well connected to all the international networks, and in particular the European networks of excellence in artificial intelligence. We offer a large national and European network of AI research center that the PhD student can leverage for making visits, for putting together a lot of possibilities of education and research projects. Overall, it's not just our 5 universities. Overall, our 5 universities, in collaboration with the National Research Council, who was one of the founders of this initiative, put together a network of more than 60 universities and research centers in Italy. And the people that want the PhD student can actually live and work by leveraging these entire networks. You can see in the slide our website. The call for admissions will pop up in June, essentially starting from mid-June. You can stay tuned in our website so that, or in the websites of our 5 universities, to be ready, if you're interested, to join this community and try to shape the future of artificial intelligence and also of society together with us. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.